Hello, people. Wanna help me share? Wanna call listing? Wanna damn it all? Now, good evening, my people. Wanna help me share? Wanna share? I'm gonna share this one. Maybe we call listing. Wanna help me share? Me and still share this. Me and still share for my own for this side. How na dey? How na dey, my people? Wanna help me share? I'm gonna come listen to this audio. May we analyze am. May we analyze am, oh my people. Na good evening. Dion, good evening. Also na dey fine. Wanna come listen to this audio? I dey come here. May I check for the audio for now. Wanna help me share am, My people, now wow. Now wow for wire road though. If you know the year, now tell me, May I play on for now. So this audio, now Lolo do one yesterday. Now say me I bring am come, may we analyze them together, Wait till I hear for the audio, Oh God. Or let's say you know na open na brain well, mona the picker. Wow, damn it, Me I just play, I don't want to waste tonight time, Me I play, mona share am. They call me I play, mona the listing.
So there we go. This is the 6 hours video. She did. Let me push it to the number I want. Any insult.
So now not the year hey,
hello. Yeah. Okay. There one person to come and address this. Listen, no. I'm here. Otherwise, now talk to my nyash, talk to my hand. Okay. Mama, I will marry. When you get, you know, where. If you sabi, make you plant from the yam for mortar. If you not sabi, you go plant for another ground. You understand? For no address, I don't care. My people this evening, thank you so much for that person. Can you guys hear? That said I should address it. Okay. I just want to use this means first and foremost. To first of all, I'm going to start by apologizing and saying sorry to all my Joseph, thank you guys. Oh my God, who was the star boss? Thank you. They have been a great part of me. Which phone? Thank God that some this of phone mentioned that. Wait, this phone seems to be low. Even myself, I not call the egg. Let me connect this one to it. Could this be the reason why? Yes. Wait. Go, even when I never started to say, why some of them get to know about me? This is I started my video. You understand? When I did do live video. How many they thank God they don't even go America. America, you know how many I get for them. I've been in Canada. I book me. I can't even pass for all the ladies. They so you phone that's the connection. I mean, I'm no what's the Wait. Rejected somebody to love you. Okay. So they will perform me for her. They will perform me for husband. They will perform me for everything. They'll still perform me. So if you that is you guys are more thank you. Correct that is In short, many of una very carry maths. Manika cannot accept it now. I dey vex for now. Thank you so much, my love.
Oh my God, you guys have buzzed the Star Wars. Thank you.
You understand me?
Listen, oh.
I got vex for some of una. Oh, thank you. I'm not seeing what you guys are writing, but God bless you. I got vex for some of una because when I even hear the name of the dad, this way they call follow Monica. When Monica, any of una go fit carry the Igbudu. Why they not mention all of their name? The Igbudu of Canada na me. The Igbudu of Japan na me. The Igbudu, if una ever know any Igbudu for Belgium, me no.
Your Muneya.
Igbudu of Netherlands, of Nigeria, na me. Why they not mention other chief in Europe? Because
when I told you people chief that they do la loi, open it well. Did you people say I am lying? When I tell you all the chief and the Dioma, now they open body for live video. Did you people say I am lying? Are you hearing it now? She's saying it with her mouth. All the daddies there, now they carry them. Una never hear something. Una wait.
They are so for burial. Shit, now they entertain me. Hey, show me.
Una they hear. Even Nigeria where in go, the chief where dead here. Hey.
Thank
you guys for the start. The one and only adulterous woman.
He's not only my God alone. The way they come alone. The way they get that confidence, they talk, boom. I don't know what I say, something there my back. You don't get time there, I take something not there my back.
Now they hear.
So, as soon as I just see so, yeah, when I just boom, what I wear, who wear all that duro boys.
Let me put
then you want to be friend, join my
listen,
now hear that one. My God, oh, she don't. This video, this video not be today. Do one. Don't say where Monica do this video. I think he don't reshare. I think na last year. Na last year. So yesterday, na Lolo go bring her come out. So she don't use her mouth to fete talk am. When your friend dik be ave le lo da finye. Tuna de ye. Me they play. I don't want me I disturb una. I don't want more na just the list. More na they pick for inside. So more na not they let people they turn una brain upside down. As I talk am before, they know what then they do. In with your husband, they know it's just that shame can they catch them and they'll take talk and come and say, yes, see what it will be. Now understand now. More na just the list. Why damn it, huh?
He said whether or not he say na Aduro boy see one friend join his husband. Na the year. He said whether or not he say na Aduro boys he want carry near his husband join his husband. Una the year una imatite the confessor the one and only adulterous woman, the award-winning adulterous woman 2020. 2021, you see the running title. Now the year. The year. Una the year. Ikwoni wek beni omo deva. Nema wek bejo. Na ibi.
Because if you're in here asset you. Here in the mommy Monica the leader asset you. One in the fake account, those fake accounts. Una the place. I look my eye.
Adulterous leader.
Do I look like somebody where
na leader where
they keep company?
Na the year.
Middle of the night.
The year.
God forbid. Even my husband, he go beat me. If not be better me. Better. I wish. See, I
beg una yewe.
So na hear that thing. Na hear what he talk, That means he with your husband, they know what then they do. This video, I not even because I don't get time to they stay there go now 6 hours. I not get time. So when Lolo yesterday can't do this video now. Say me I bring her come, me I still show now. Mona can't listen because no say sometimes person you just they listen to video. You know they pick for inside when the person they talk come out. Jonah yeah. Your husband know say if they carry they shuku for this side, shuku for that side, problem not dey. Just that they know if you can talk and say, Jess, see what we they do. We don't fair hear now as a native daughter talk and say, see what then they do. One of the list you now go hear many.
Wetin talk? He say even your husband go beat him if not be better mind carry. My people, we need to rewind that part. Oh. We need to rewind her, beg. Where we rewind her? Oh shit.
Come on, do
Una de yeah.
So me assistant me. Me assistant that Jima Yahweh a news. Because some of my do ya.
Wo. Eruwala is ikpudu. Una de yeah.
Eruwala.
Una de yeah. Is eruwala is ikpudu. Is eruwala is ukpudu. Na the ukpudu way day. Now they saying they carry. Yes, even in husband. If in husband hear and say, na duro boy they keep him company for night. Your husband go beat him. Una de ye matza. Oh my goodness. Jesus, oh, una de ye matza. I said today, ugie se 6 hours egbe. Ugie se 6 hours egbe. 6 hours video. Now when I with Lolo, I write all the minutes down. See there, I watch her. I come write the minutes then down. Ugie se 6 hours video egbe. Where if for talk can. Say papa wala na ugudu na ibi. I should start talking and let you listen. The video there YouTube, if you want to listen, go and listen there. Now analysis now they do. No be play for you to listen. Do you understand? It's not play for you to listen. If you want to listen, go to our YouTube, go and listen to it there. You understand?
You let me my colleague give away.
He said not be only in the do papa while Muja Russia. He said not be only in the do papa while say in get seconds. In get people where they gather they do and together. And he go call their name. We are going to listen to them. The people that you understand? He said the people where they gather they do papa while not be only you. I bet me I rewind again.
Colleagues, you know, in my colleague.
When I listen,
I'll be only my colleague, you so me assistant.
Okay, listen, no.
Me assistant that Jima Yahweh a news. Listen. Ya. You realize. God. And then I'll be only my colleague even way he got to again in the atale the name now. He want way senior colleagues, you know it. In a show way.
He saying get senior colleague well all of them they lalo. E cannot come on. E cannot back below top. E can papillovirus. She said, no, he said, Papa, well, it's not she alone that do it, oh. She have colleague in the industry. She have Iyowa in the industry. Have a big auntie, wa la nene kia, oh, we are yaro. Master of the universe, eh? So you guys listen to this video. You jump and pass. Una koko they do. Lolo say. Lolo say. Lolo say. No more than they do like that. The reason why she talk too much is because she want to wipe your brain away from what she has put in there before. You understand? You say I should interpret for you. She said, Papa Waila is a big fish. And she is not the only one eating the fish. She has junior colleague eating the fish. And she has senior colleague eating the fish. And she has mother of the house eating the fish also. But the other day she told us that Papa Waila cassava is dead. Papillovirus have killed it. That's what she told us. The adulterous woman. One and only adulterous woman. Maybe you guys have heard it now that she and Papa Waila don't not be today. He said not be only in the eater. Say there plenty. Hey! He said not only me, oh. He said not only me, oh. We plenty. Una see and say, on a real note, it's just that I want her to confess. She has already told us she slept with Papa Waila, who is not the adulterous woman. Me, I have swear my Bible again and again against every allegation she lay on me. I have swear my Bible. If you want to watch it, go up. The video is there. I didn't delete it. Go and watch it. Go and watch it. Okay? But has she ever come out to swear that no? Because she already told us one way or the other that yes, she slept with Papa Waila. But now, we agree you sleep with Papa Waila. You use your mouth to say it here that not be only you they do Papa Waila. Say you get colleague. You even call one person name. I go let her use him and call the person name. Say the person also do Papa Waila. It they record. You understand? It they record. I go let her use him and call the person name. Not be me go pronounce her. He said the person also do Papa Waila. Iyo what do? Junior colleague and senior colleague. That they were all into it. It's not a fake audio. It's a live video on our YouTube channel. Osato Williams. Egbekwe Ohuwe. Egbe Ranwe. Are you well? Or are you having fever? Is corona in your head? It's on YouTube. Go and watch it. It's not fake audio. Fake audio, okay? Are you for real? Hey. Are you alright? It's not a fake audio. It's on our YouTube channel. You want to see it? Let me show you. It's on our YouTube channel. You see it? In case you get there so you can know the video you are looking for. You see it? It's on our YouTube channel. Gambia, you was special. The adulterous woman. The adulterous. One and only adulterous. That's what you are. You cannot use it to rob me. It's not possible. Sister, hell, carry your load and go. She said if she do one, she not carry up the way. The husband. So her husband, now would your knows that she is sleeping around. You people should spit on that thing. Spit on him. He's not a man. He's a uvonisan. That is what he is. That one is uvonisan. Everywhere. We magbe. Because we o vadi no. O vadi. Awuriore is uvonisan. Uvonisan. Osato Williams, cry me a river. Just type it, cry me a river. Then you can cry them. You understand? Look at all of you crying. Now shame and disgrace is wrapping you all with aluminium foil. When I no go hot die, na de ye. When I no hot die, oh yeah. Let us continue.
Can they manage so all of the day inside? Even your book, I did back, Monica, where we find a way, you may.
It cannot come on, so we may get back this session. Ay. Oh, when ne kia ma evu yen ko, why kiru wala ma evu yen ko. E small the newest houseboy in town. Please take your time without lolo distraction. Yeah, damn it, audio now. The newest houseboy in town, you go pay where? How much did they pay you? Did you hear what she just said with her mouth? Oh, what my ko? Oh, what my ko? Did you hear that? Why a new boy in your fianwa? Ekeru wala my ko. Did you hear that? Oh, when they take care of a corner. Ya walk running babe. Wanna come and hear something? Come and hear something. Now she talking with tomato. After I talk and finish, because after they use rubbish, they wipe on her heads. They use rubbish, they wipe on her heads. Come they put lie and Maggie. You have said the truth. We don't even need the rest. Should we continue? Should we continue? Should we continue? Mona, let me know if we should continue. There are many more. There are many more. Some point. I've been in my avalo kere. Eh? Should we continue? Let me see the like and love to say continue. Should we continue or we should just leave it here so she don't die like the way she pretends she's okay and they end up dying? Eh? Eh? Awekeru wala owo ma evuye ko waniri yeke wa niobo. Eh? My Jesus. My Jesus. That's what William Market. Our market. I should continue. What?
Go push. Thank you. Thank you, my lady. I will not respond. I'm just going to go straight to the point.
Oh yeah, let's go there.
Touch, because I don't buy just talk and to her face straight off. Two of
He said, don't buy, see the touch.
Wonderful women, nice women. You guys, gorgeous. I like your show. But you see Monica show, I love it. I love Saga. I not be like woman and pardon. Woman and pardon, me I can't wear. Don't be like that. Straight to the point. I love Monica's show. I love Saga because as that man.
But I've always said it now. He said it in my presence. That is why you know me, I don't lie. He said, I don't like your show. It's boring. The other lady is there. I don't want to call her name. That was what he said to us. And he said, I love her show because it's Saga. I love Saga. And he brings info for Saga to cook. And if you like Saga, you go bring what they take cook Saga now.
Every man rich so.
Every man.
You go come sit down, make you the teacher. If your husband is done from work, you have to help your wife at home. You have to go and put pants in.
But Edoba is a babysitter. You only go to cafe in the night, every weekend. He's a babysitter. He does nothing. I once upon a time, know. So don't let that.
Then you have to help your wife to clean the house.
Yes, so.
As a otherwise, your wife will kick you out. Do you want Edoba, one of UK? To sit down and watch you, teaching him how to go and help your wife in the kitchen by putting the clothes inside the washing machine. Oh, yeah, we insert it do squeeze with the leg. It's a garden, I want to analyze it. Going over there, straight off for your time.
Let me give you breaking news. Don't tell yourself it's getting over right now. If I finish with Papa Wala, we will enter Edoba. Breaking news, Edoba. Wow, Gary Swagbe. Uge. Edoba, Kowere, Kogo, Edoba, Zowere, Kogo, Edoba, Zowere, Kogo, Edoba, Zowere, Kogo, Zowere, Kogo, Baba was Zowere, Kogo, Uoyue, Zowere, Kogo, I got Dogger Wala for now to let Doba. Edoba Zowere, Kogo, a lot of my budget, oh, when Me I want fi motor are pe campi e ko ya record we waga e go juwe. Ojuwe gbog ojuwe gbog. Edoba juwe gbog edoba ojuwe gbog chicken na piso gbog. Eri maya 12 egbipangolo egbayo we. Ojuwe we so go take carry edoba na London to London ere begeru wala na ebe Spain ogwo ebubo. Everyone, you were breaking news. Another announcement. Mama Wella have returned from Nigeria. You Wella market. Now it's a day now. Why you can't come back? Mama Wella is back from Nigeria, my people. I just heard the Wednesday today. They say Mama Wella is back. Me, I'm going tomorrow and you are back today. Why now? One can't judge the matter. Anyway, I could leave that one for corner. Don't do miss. You know, even get shame for her to a base pain. Oh, you go away, a base pain. A base pain. Kai. Maybe, a base pain, or you go away. You come and be lying on me. A base pain, or go away. I'm a near Paris. Until we have one of Paris. Now, my I want a video for what here. Call me, you know those old men have been they take the enter. Yay! Thank God for my sister that day. Where he got talk and say, he say, "Ojo we gbene boy egbege joma go juwe eri do here iwa jaji ube a hoso we biba." I believe that you were hunting for that egbedin. You understand? Somebody came out and confirmed it. He said, "Ojo we, I believe that you were hustling that thing." Because that is how you do around this Paris. Hustling small children. Someone confirm it. Yes, so. All this one now. When they use that, look everybody at it. That's no. The day when we see the way of Paris, my family, tell again. You when they need again, then you be ekito supu. Okay. Anna. Oh no. Wait. Chromebooks don't just start fast. They stay fast over time. See. Don't do that. Come here. Me make it on a me na gwale. Me ya se we bona me nya be Johnny gwale me here. Me mia. Don't pop why ya be Johnny gwale video leka. E John. Yeah. And it was true. I told her, I said, Dioma, Abe Diomani also we be a car. We Diomani also we be a car. Yeah. Diomani also we be a car. I told her, gele, at the end of the day, Dioma said, if you don't let me do, I'm not going to give you. Hey, stick they have been asking you to sweat since how long? I'm going to sweat. Now, stick carry your mouth. He saying carry. He said you need to de swear put. You know swear no swear. That's here, Baba France. Dear way France. What? If I have a regular way, because if I in Baba. Ojonwe is a traditional man also. Ojonwe, if it is true, or me, Lolo, sitting down here, I just decide to rubbish your name. Do the needful now. Epa, as matured as you are, somebody is talking to you like this. We no matter also ya, who also yo. Dioma, Dioma do na. We no magale also ji. Ugwana. Who of your Hana no more any Rihanna, and in build all these years in a webo. Jama, we go yona. But Jama could not shake his body. He could not shake his body. You dey wait for me for Nigeria, my dear. Don't worry. I won't talk too much so that I will have energy to sleep and wake up on time. I finished packing my bag. You understand? YOLO. Ejama bring money. Ejama say son no correct. Ejama say son no correct. See, followers, all of them, they cry for yeah, wow. What do they cry for? Until Yana, he said, now so they name and rich. Make it not call use the man, God name the one where they know Jonah. Because they're plenty. The one and only adulterous woman. The one and only adulterous woman. He said, make it not God name and pass like this. The one where they never call. May we leave her first. EJ, you never know her. Fiame. You think she wear dress though? She always wear her dress. They are crying. They will cry me river, full buckets. Their mama na liar cooker. May go cook another like Kareko. Adeye. Many of you seem to have forgotten the words of her mouth. Una go call Yera. Plenty, oh. Very, very much. Don't even think it's finished anytime soon.
I don't wear Paris.
You see him?
Papa Wella. Toba. West.
They're plenty, oh.
Niger Wash.
Who thought they sleep with Niger Wash? Liar. She wanted to even rub that one name in the mud, though. Nobody talk about that person's name. Can you imagine? Hey! God. She almost rubbed that guy's name in the mud, though. Nobody talked about that guy's name in this whole issue. God forbid bad thing. See.
If I don't freeze the regime, why no? Now you are going to follow. I've been there go follow Aduro boys. Don't feel. You see all the bedu, all the do, all the. As soon as they do live video, now so me they do. Why be so this bedu people? They don't they see you now. Now only me want as the regime get off now.
See, now only you they see because now only you they open body for them. Now only you they tell they come and look. Now only you they pack breast where you no get put for neck. Now only you get one picture where they see that the way they run around. Now only you, where would they come and look at a responsible woman well dressed? What are they looking for? What are they going to gain? No. They want to look at a market woman who open her body on the ground, indirectly telling them come and buy. As they say, as they do live video and as they sell market. Do you understand? That is it. Men where they follow women. Once they see their type, now once that they know. That is why. None of them dare to talk to me for waiting now. Even when we go to party, when you look at my pictures with men, they stand like gentlemen. Even this guy in Italy, DJ Froze. Did you see the picture we took together in Paris? I was like, man, I don't know they see men like this who humble themselves when they want to take picture with you. He stood his ground like a gentleman, put his hands to his body. Did you people see that picture? That is how a gentleman take picture. A responsible man, that is how they take picture. But you see, before they take picture, they don't like that for their body. What is the meaning of that? Did you see the picture of she and Edoba inside the car? Does that picture look like a gentleman picture? No. That is it. You lie down on their body. You want to take picture with them, you lie down on their body. If you see a picture with a German for France, that's why you all land they. You know, men has this some way to recognize a woman that wants them. And the way you smile at men, let them know that I can easily approach this one. Do you understand? Even women of my type, they are afraid of me. How much more a man? Who are you? What are you coming to say? What are you coming to say? What are you coming to say? You understand? Rose Johnson, it's not my words. They are her words. It's not my audio. These are video. Go and watch it now. You understand? There is a way you present yourself. Men run after you. There is a way you present yourself. They know that, oh, this one is no-go area. Do you know that? Do you know that? You can dress sexy, but your eyes will show that, don't come close to me. I am just doing my sexy thing, and that is it. You understand? That's how it goes. But you see her, when she's sitting down live video, you need to read the body. Go and look at all of it now. The video she was doing before all this trouble. Even there was a day she did the video, half of her dress is out, her breast was almost out. People were calling her, telling her, dress well, put your dress well. Was it not so? Oh, Becky. Let us listen.
Naija wash. He don't like any of you now.
See.
With plenty breast, he don't like it.
Una never
With
heard the
small
way
neck,
they
he
shock
don't like
una.
it. With better head, he don't like it. Hello? Huh?
Chidera, please carry yourself and see about so I don't want.
Yes, I dare you too. Naija wash not like any of you. You
guys will cry, not go cry blood
because I
today.
see the way all these men they like me.
Now in what
Let's
so?
know women don't they like me also.
Mm-hmm.
Eh? So my people, I don't preamble and me I just go straight to it. Number one, my daddy of Paris. Daddy. You see me, I even tell you now, say, anyone who not talk, no problem. Will not continue. God is good. Black has never one day touched me. Would you touch me? You can't just see Monica. Hey! I really tell Lolo, say, Papa Wala come, then Papa Wala come, then I never say Papa Wala.
Una de ye! He say Papa Wala come Devinta. He say true tell Lolo, say Papa Wala come Devinta. Papa Wala, wish your head you go fight for them. Papa Wala, wish your head you go fight for them. Una de ye, he say him tell me say Papa Wala come Devinta. Who be this one? I say we are gonna see. No, guys, respect your family. And really, you that is here, you don't know you are disrespecting your family. You don't know you are disrespecting your family by commenting here. If your sister, senior sister, see you here now, your colleague, they will ask you, what are you doing there? I say we. I gotta say, remove your hand from typing. Remove your hand from typing. Remove your hand from typing, Jerry. Keep that your meaningless advice to yourself.
Look, Papa Wella, Mama Wella with one of their boy. Come to David.
Hey, don't change that.
2015. I be
Don't change
2014. Now 2015, Lolo come my ass. That is what I said. I have never for one day.
The voice changer. He said they come me ass. When me no did they. Hey! Even Takarisha said when they born their pikin, they come greet. He said they come greet when they born.
Lord has never for one day hear me conversation on the phone with this man.
Hey.
Never.
Hey.
Never.
Me, I sing Papa Wala song for now. Oh, no more say gag back petty. Okay, no. Oh, no more say gag back petty. Okay, no. Oh, no more say gag back petty. Okay, no. Oh, no more say gag back petty. Okay, no. Okay, no. Now this music name, this person take the rub a lap when they travel also. Okay, no. Okay, no. The person name will be one card.
For more than going to 4 years. That time, waiting before years, that 5 years, where this guy they do video, where I do video to counter, when these people block me for phone, I have never for one day.
You see, I say don't talk and say they block and they didn't do something where they come block. Where were you people? Now not they here. So all what I said is true. So you guys know it's true. You guys know it's true. You see what I said? She did a video. They asked her not to do video. She countered the video and they blocked the hell out of her. And they were very angry at her that they don't want her in their life. That was the audio of Papa Wala that I played when Papa Wala explaining that Lolo is a good friend. Lolo is a good friend. Lolo called me. Me and my wife were very angry. Lolo called me and begged me and said, yes, please forgive her. Lolo is a really good friend. Thank God she said it inside this video also. She said it. Hey, so you see that I did not lie on her.
Talking with Mama Wala or Papa Wala, everybody don't take their lay all these years, my people.
Really?
I have never for one day. Only my husband, they see for after they go greet them, they will still say, may greet me. But for telephone, the conversation was all the party where we.
Oh, shit.
Me make it on a me na gwale me ya se bebo na me me ya le joma ni gwale me hia me mia.
Don't rewind it
now. UK, she don't go. I don't say me she don't go. The husband the reason why you don't go. So if not true, say all these things she really know for years. I don't the one. So you were probably me as a motivational speaker. So she no feel ever seen, feel talk to her friend. No, they do this thing again. She just there. My darling. What not think now? Darling. Eh? Darling. You need time. Okay? After today, you don't finish. So anything we wanna like today now, they gonna call emo disgwagwa after today.
Disgwagwa.
After today.
As you can see, me, I don't even do call to disgwagwa you. Because my people don't need it to disgwagwa you. No, we don't need it. Do we need to disgwagwa? We don't need to disgwagwa. She's disgwagwaing herself. She's disgwagwaing herself for us. Do we need to call it? We don't need it. We don't need it. Let's go back to the beginning where she said, now so, now that one is with me pass for say all these other ones. There are some things there, but when I will copy them out, I will come and be playing them. You know? Let's go to this one. This one. This one end is sweet for itself.
So if you know you don't like more.
Wait.
Your corpses.
I want to hear where she mentioned the name.
Oh,
They mentioned the name of one girl that they were all doing the Ekia together.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, thank you. We last can check up. Kakaiye de kwale kole we na. Wazegbe wala wo we last can check up. Kwale kole. Kakaiye de kwale kole we na. Wazegbe wala wo we. To first among that. Please wait, let me see what.
Wait.
Your coffee.
Let's replay that part.
Igual calling Kakaiye de quale calling Vena. What's a big one? I will ask Jacob. Igual calling. Audio or not, I dare here. Oh, thank you, my lady. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello? Yeah? In real life, in real YouTube. Okay. One minute. Oh, tomorrow. Your coffee.
They are still crying. Hey, yeah. They are still crying. Are they crying? Now when you're na mama, I take to say vandalize. Eke do me some sinye u waniriye ke wani obo. Is it Papa Wala eke no regime do?
Don't. Oh yes, so if you know you don't like money can leave here. I pray. Can't leave it. the border. This one are general news. They need to be here. Please, guys, don't forget to give thumbs up to my video.
Share this video. Share.
God bless you.
Share the video. Share the video.
People, we want to join. No, even now until they do the things. People want to join. They call me. How will they join the team? Man, why I join there? Why I do it in here? Anyway, my people, if you want to join, more now contact somebody the way that they call now. So my people, okay. She will tell you the condition with the thing they join. I don't know.
Let me tell you, you now that is supporting her, giving her money. Are you also an adulterous woman like her? Ask yourself that question. If you find the answer, then continue talking to me in here. You that is supporting her, you are a great backbone. You are supporting her. Are you also an adulterous woman? Are you also sleeping around like she's sleeping around? Are you? Native doctor told you guys, before I met her, before me, this Lolo met her, she has already started her adulterous lifestyle. I was friends with Stephanie Agawa for how many years? What Stephanie do, I didn't do it. Because it is not my lifestyle. I only support her for her emotional breakdown. When people break her down, I am there to boost her up like, oh, it's okay. I join her, insult people, but I cannot join her, do her nonsense. Do you understand? Did you just hear it where she said, even her husband knows. If she friends small boys, her husband is going to chase her out or beat her up. You didn't hear it. Your ear deaf. Now me talk. Are you that desperate? Are you that desperate? So now that you are supporting her, means you and her, you are the same. You two, you are an adulterous woman. Count me out of it because I'm out of there. You understand? Count me out. Okay? Let us listen.
They say the strong inside there.
I can't help your stupidity. I'm playing it again. It's coming, my sister.
I say the list of my daddies where they bring come out, it not complete. But maybe I don't broadcast it. No. I only want it on my YouTube. Please don't broadcast it. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. Thank you. The list of my daddies, they are not complete yet. I don't know the reason why they did not complete them one time. Okay, maybe they want to keep bringing it out small. After to.
These were all the bullshit she was doing. Oh, wait. Anyway, let's play.
After today, any other daddy from Kuna, daddy, just call me for phone. I'll just say sorry.
Do you people hear?
No more addressing of it.
Do you people hear? She said any other daddy, if we find the name, carry come out. Just call me for corner. I will beg you. Finish. Do you people hear? She used her mouth to say, daddy, them plenty. Daddy, plenty. Eh? Any other one, I will beg you in the corner, but I will not come outside to say it. When she do this stupid video. Now when body they cash her, they want this guagua lolo. Now that time I do the video.
Today, I for not also address her. But I was giving permission to somebody to come and do this video. Otherwise, if you talk to my hand and then for be, because I'm only me one with that woman. If you try her as a married woman, whoever try her, don't do another one, you will not go scot. Only Monica, then they go scot free with it. So please don't try it at all. My follower, don't.
Do you hear what she says?
My people. Una yet me don't fair no say this Monica. Oma clear. I tell na hear wetin she talk. Na hear and say na only she feed the do am. Meaning he with your husband, they know wetin they do. Eh? So fijo dia fijo bonokpa na she dey do. Her husband no. Now she use her mouth to talk am. This video I think it do last year. The time when he with a lot of you need a quarrel or something like that. Mona, listen.
He say if you as a married woman do one, you know go scot-free for your hand. Now only she, now they do one scot-free. May we rewind that part again.
Mona, listen well, my people. Mona, help me share this audio. What share? Mona, share. I be not know before.
I'll just say sorry.
Listen, oh.
Yeah? No more addressing of it. Because today, I for not also address her. But I was giving permission from somebody to come and do this video. Otherwise, if you talk to my hand and then for be, because I'm only me one with that woman. If you try her as a married woman, whoever try her, don't do another man, you will not go scot-free. Only Monica, then they go scot-free with it. So please, don't try.
My people, una de here with Where is my father? Let me put father. I'm traveling tomorrow. Let my father start today. Ooh, the father don't over poor boots. He said now let pada now they rub. I don't see rub pada to the preview of my pada to come for the chair. He said now let now get the right to do another man get away with it because of Kadwe. He will now get no. That is our job. Let me rewind it for now.
As a married woman, whoever try her, don't do another man, you will not go scot-free. Only Monica, then they go scot-free with it. So please, don't try it at all. My follower, don't try or don't do it. Oh, thank you.
Until now, yeah. No be me talker, oh. Now she talker, oh. Now she talker. I want support, I want love as a market. I want support our market. Rub pada with me, my people. Rub pada with me. What is that again? You know why, Yera? She said she is not an adulterous woman, that the palace should come and help her stop people who are calling her adulterous woman. Are you for it? If you don't know where the matter is going, leave here now. Who beg you? Who call you for you? She said the palace should come and help her stop people who are saying her child belongs to another man. Okay? That her child belongs to another man, and then she's sleeping around that she's an adulterous woman. Okay? So this is the confirmation that she is really an adulterous woman. And that child, why I open too much, I don't want to show the picking. But if you look at social media now, you will see the picture of Dumezedo's son and her own is out there. They look like twins. It's on the media now. It's walking grand everywhere. Go and look for it. You will see it. The children look like twins. Come, are you guys for real? Are you for real? Are you for real? Rub pada with me, my people. Rub pada with me. Rub pada with me. Oh, we're going to be pada. Rub pada with me.
You pretty. Thank you. You understand? So, but because I've been giving order by one person to come and address this one.
Thank you.
That's why I'm here. Otherwise, now talk to my nyash, talk to my hand. Okay. Mama, I will marry. When you get, if you sabi, make you come.
That parable is no if you know how to pound, you pound inside the mortar. If you don't know how to pound, you pound on the ground. Do you hear that? Now your husband is married. So now only you get permission to sleep with another man. Na the year.
And then for Monta. If you not sabi, you go pan for ground. For no address I don't care.
She don't care.
My people this evening, thank you so much for that.
She don't care.
You want to mention name?
She don't care.
I said I should address it. Okay. I just want to use this means first and foremost. So first of all, I'm going to start by apologizing and saying sorry to all my daddies.
Because their ears shall be open. Daddy.
They have been great. They have been a great part of me. Thank God that some of them were mentioned that they came long time ago, even when I never started to say.
Long time ago. You understand? People like Dumezedo have been in the picture long time ago.
Get to know about me when I started my video. You understand? When I did do live video. How many days? Thank God they don't even go America. America, you know how many days I get for them. I've been in Canada.
Una the years, una year the years. So. Una know how many get for America. Una know how many day for around. Hey God. They are flagging my video. May they continue. Oh, wait that book. Oh, wait that booking. A passport or delay. Do you hear that? She said you can book her. Book. Asha will come and sleep. I will pay your ticket, even to America. Do you people hear that? Asha will come and visit me. They book her, you pay, they book her. Oh, wait, it's passport. Daddy connection.
Rejected somebody to have me. So they will perform me for her. They will perform me for husband. They will perform me for children. They will perform me for everything. They will still perform me. For even that this way they love me. They will perform me. Correct that is. In short, many of you now, they carry maths. And the vessel now. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you. Thank you. You understand me? I forget for some of you now. Oh,
you just weak.
God bless you.
You weak. Why you weak?
I forget for some of you now. Because when I even hear the name of the dad, this way they call follow Monica.
Now they hear.
Not be Monica. Monica is a crash. Monica is a little maid.
International. How many of you now fit do one?
Why they not mention all of their name?
Even me, friend, will be Akpoko as wife. If I just see any man, just they do. I don't know. He was squeezing all the way. They squeeze your face like that. I go just squeeze my face. Stay your day. Don't near me. How many of you now feel they carry the car daddy where should they carry? When I take on that time.
The good of Canada na me. The good of Japan na me. The good if you ever know any good for Belgium. Me no. The good of Netherlands of Nigeria na me.
Netherlands.
Why they not mention other chief in Europe? Because when I go to Nigeria.
He said why they not mention chief way. They I don't want to talk chief way there because you know say I don't want to come put myself for trouble. That one a big thing. My soda. That is why I they breathe on my tongue. They breathe on my tongue. Osaro epa. I bet pack way. You understand? Daddy. Keep your husband away from her. Oh. If she's doing daddy to your husband, be careful. Be careful. What do they call him? Oja way of Paris, his wife. Thank God you have known now. Any other girl, no other for where you are with daddy. Why you popo no mafo, weba no mafo ya wanyan. Why the party? Why call you weba lelewe? Any girl that run to your husband and do daddy, who are bukoko jiyan. Daddy near ya what dere. Daddy near ya what dere here. Daddy. And my daddy. Instead John put. That was the first time she was meeting Ojo way for Paris. So first time. Daddy waited, they carry all of them, they see I catch away. That's the way they do. Daddy. And my daddy, you know what they buy him.
So, for burial, sheep na de entertain you, we are me show me. Eke, Igamujopan, having no we again,
na chief, na the entertainer for Nigeria. Somebody dropped the cocos from my ear. You know, if I don't have audio to play, to really make it real, I don't play it. I don't talk about it because I hate, he say, they say, he say. You see, as I'm analyzing the words of her mouth, it's not me that said it. No, it's not me. It's her own words of mouth. And if anybody brings story for me, if you know you are not bold enough to record it and play it, you know me now, sometimes I'm not interested. Save me, that's your story. Because what I hate is sitting down, as beautiful as I am, I'll be doing, he say, they say, he say. He say, they say, wait. Say, wait, happen. No, I'm too big for he say, they say. If you are bold enough like me, and you know you are telling the truth, you will record. If I say record it, you see that lady that give me the audio that I used to deal with that psychiatric patient in Holland. Till today, she cannot sleep and forget Lolo. And I don't reply to people like that, no matter what they say about me. People that their husband is a thief. Them, they are adulterous woman also. Now remember, the person that recorded that audio said, she's an adulterous woman. A man came to her house and run away and left his Marlboro cigarette there. So that kind of confirm adulterous on an audio. Me, Lolo, I'll consider the answer. I'm answering this first class adulterous woman. Just because I want to refresh some of the mugus who are crying around their brain. You understand? Those new latest mumu men they put on live video. I want to refresh their brain and let them know what happened. You understand? Because some of them don't know what happened. You understand? Some of them don't know what happened. You know, so that is why. If not, adulterous women, I don't stain myself with it. No, I don't. And that one now is a confirmed adulterous woman. The one that is on my audio. The audio is still on my phone. You understand? I still have the audio on my phone. I even played it that day on YouTube. The person, thank you so much, all of you that gave me star. May God Almighty bless all of you. The person that brought that audio, I told her, I said, my love, can you play it in audio and let me play it? She said, yes. So those kind of people, me, Lola, I can't answer them. If you like, they back from 19 next year. I will not answer them because I have their audio that they are confirmed adulterous women. And they end up being single mother by stupidity. So why in God's name will I now? Those are the people who have husbands that go on recess. We are on recess right now. So why will I, Lolo, dress this beautifully and come and address a psychiatric patient? I can't do that. I cannot do that. You understand? I cannot do that. No, I can't. Okay, so those ones are backing dogs. Those are the dogs she used to throw bones for those days. Me, I don't have bones for you guys. I just ignore you guys. Hungry will beat you and you will die. And die a natural death of hunger. And you will go. You understand?
As you see mommy Monica,
the number
it's
one
only my catch alone. The women they come alone. They get that confidence, they talk, boom. I don't know, say something there like that. You don't get time I think something not there like that. So as soon as just me so, yeah, what I just boom, what I wear, who wear all that duro boys. Let me want to be friend join my husband. Man, even
well, whether not say na duro boy see one friend join his husband. Hey! Oh, kutuku. Social media wa bure. He say whether not say na duro boys in one friend join his husband. No. Hey. Chai.
It wasn't work when you want to Why is
Ikwoni wegbeni omo deva. Because the pikin wey dey in hands, no be in own. So deva no. To papa. You see am? Okay.
Monica still because he hear in here asset you. Here in the mommy Monica the leader asset you. One in the fake account, those fake accounts. One of the place, I look my eye. Do I look like somebody where I do not boy but they keep company all the night? Eh? God forbid. Even my husband, he go beat me. If not be better me. Better, I wish. See,
Una yera, he say your husband go beat him if not be better me in the sleep with. I bet more rest. I will cut it again and then post it on social media. He say even your husband, he go beat it. Me, I rewind that part. I need to rewind that part. Hey, hey! Iriado wabure. Edo!
eh? God forbid. Even my husband, he go beat me. If not be better me. Better, I wish. See,
Hey!
I wish.
Hey!
Eh?
Edo!
God forbid. Even my husband, he go beat me. If not be better me. Better, I wish.
He say if he no carry better men, sheshe get, big men. He say his husband go beat him. That's what she's saying. That's what she's saying. Kai! Did you hear it? She said if she no carry better men, even her husband go beat her.
Only man.
Eh?
He won't work when you want to buy. Why is tomorrow? Monica still because he hear in here.
Hey!
Here in the mommy Monica the leader asset you. One in the fake account, those fake accounts. One of the place, I look my eye. Do I look like somebody where I do not boy but they keep company all the night? Eh? God forbid. Even my husband, he go beat me. If not be better me. Better, I wish. See,
Oh yeah, oh, me will come the go as. Oh yeah, Mona carry. What to carry you come? Bicycle? Motor car? Blood of Jesus. He say even my husband, he go beat me. Hey! Hey! Somebody create an award for me there. Oh, can't give her awards. And award handing over awards. He say even my husband, he go beat me if not be better men at the carry come. Hey! Hey! Now wow! Shenge Jaguar. Damn bro baiska. Una de ye matza. Friday they cry. See all our dogs, they are all crying here. When I'm playing your mama video, why are you crying now? Love it, either idiot. Now you be that. Feel like blocking you now. Hey! Oh, Turugbeke. The woman where they married to husband. Chai. Now, wow. Let me not waste my energy. If I get to the palace, all these ones, I will tender them now. When I get to where I'm going, I will tender them. He said, me, they know they call her adulterous woman. Why? Why? When you use him, tell us, say, even your husband. He said, now your own husband, now he marry. Who sabi pant, may pant for mortar. Who no sabi pant, he go pant for ordinary ground. Even your husband, safe. If he no bring better man, come as. Hey! Oh, so you guys listen to this bullshit and you end up forgetting. Don't worry. I'll be bringing them for you guys. I'll remind all of you again and again. The Ayoyo one or Sheshege. The adulterous woman Sheshege. Where is my new organic fan? Adulterous. One money or Zewepo. One money nutia bona or yetime. Iya kpolo where we got tabane kaji. You understand? You understand? For you to talk to that baby like that, and you have the effrontery, the guts, to say you don't regret your acts. Omoni arieti bameti, igele yak bolowe. Yak bolowe. Okay, in PC video now I want to play for us. PC for her. How are you? Oh, where Hemo play this one?
This video, as usual, Monica, I cannot go back to my shit because I'm not dumb.
You are dumb.
I don't eat my vomit.
You do.
Okay? We don't do saga in our way. On Facebook, I will say again thing that it don't come. On Facebook, elle est oui. Elle est Facebook, oui.
Oh, hey, Facebook, I want me a big have a puppies in the vie. Oh, hey, Facebook, I'm a big oh, yeah, big. You're mad. You want to cry for her? Come on, cry for her.
My people, now wow. When I hear this audio, now video, now Lolo do one yesterday. As I hear and now say no, may I bring her come because me I never hear this one. I know why, because the video too long. Like I say maybe they cut time I foresee am. So I not see the video. When I just say Lolo do one yesterday, I listen and say no, may I bring her come. Many people I believe say they never even hear wetin she use her mouth talk with this Monica, wetin use her mouth talk. Wetin call the one where they pay me for inside? Why you not tell people? Say see, because now everything that you they tell your people. Just tell them, say see what you now they do. See what you now they do. You can't everything one account when you they do now you can't they use until they rob another person. You don't use your mouth to confirm her for them. If you not listen very well now, say she don't fair confirm her, say see what she they do. That and her husband know everything. Because we, let's say her husband not know my people, like that day where she they use her mouth to talk and say the time when it will Lolo they waka, they really do bad thing. Even her husband when they go they tell her and say hide your voice, they know they hear well. More and listen well. Man way head really correct. When say he marry wife, without una no they do, una understand. Without una your wife no. You would not get what you they do together. Say she they do something way you not supposed to do. You go, you know, tell her say you get the way with that man way really way here really day house. Way no say he wife. You get as be my people. Meaning they know what they do. They just they put people where they follow, they just they put them, I don't know how to talk, and they brainwash their head, they bend their head to turn her to be saying now Lolo na be the bad person. I don't know whether Lolo be 100% free, but for Monica, I feel put my hand for fire. Say, Jess, now this thing they do. Native daughter don't fair talk. He say, you go bring paper, come. You not see, you might be paper. You don't even use your mouth. Today for the video where you do. Take talk. Me, I never see, I never hear this video. I never ever see her. Like say, Lolo not come bring her come out. I for not even hear because the way we person say they do something, now tell they know, say, this thing, you do one. Abi you not do one. You understand? I must know, say, yes, you do one or you not do one. She never even come out one day, say, I swear, if I ever, never, she never do one. Meaning, all these things, whether they accuse you, you do one. Simple as ABC. You don't use your mouth to confirm and say, now do you do, now you they carry. You know, if you they carry the, all these people where they are do house. Those one where go, they bring money, you go no come. Now your husband say me you they carry, not carry small wow. So you know everything. So not when they use everybody, not be everybody. Some people here they knack work for this side, knack the other. Like people like us, we don't know where everything they go. Because really binima, your wife no fit tell you, you go there tell you say see I mean no. You get as it be. Really binima. We head correct. And not the one where they lock for inside bottle because he say lock your husband for inside bottle. Real one. He say na your husband he marry, he not marry another person. So my people, wanna not dey fight for anybody. To fight for somebody self. What you want fight for? What you concern you concern them? You get wetin that they give you. You get with something where they important, where they talk, where they enter your brain. Nothing where they talk, where they enter your brain. They want to teach you as you want to come on for your husband house and go they follow another man. The one where you go they give you the udue. Now that one you want. Now that one now you can't find for social media. No. So now wetin that they do now be that one. So man, not let them they tell now say another person they do. And I know say some people they wetin that they do. They'll use that until they rob another person, say now the other person they do one, which is very bad. They will use that and say rob, you say no, because me now you they do everything where they do, they'll put on for the other person head. You know if it deny because you know say some people they wait all way they now jemoji neba ma oge. Or bawa oge wait you know if it deny say na lie. You will find one way or another way you take deny, you know fit. All more your work, everything where she they do, you go put everything for your head. People come the thing say maybe now you they do. People person where really get brain. Now if you listen to this video where she do, she don't fair confirm and say see what she they do. It's just that people not pick calm. Like me, I not watch the video, I not watch her. If not be yesterday when Lolo come bring her come and say see what they go home, see what he use her mouth to talk. When I don't hear say your husband, he with your husband know what she they do. Your husband know say they. If they shook for there, shook for here, shook for there, you know. So one I go they fight, especially those people where they fight. No, now like you know they do this. She don't confirm and say she they do. You know if they carry her Duro boys, you say get many. Now she know that one her whole life. As for me, that one her whole life. But not when they use people head because some people just believe say, hey, you be innocent 100%. Person like me, I know say you they do. I just know straight and direct. So all this one way when they say na my husband, your husband fit tell you say they do this kind of problem not they now your whole problem with you. Even for this Western world, some people then they do they will marry, they will see they do what they do now their life without. But not when they use another, not when they use and say now the other person then they do now the other person they do. If Lolo do one, because I not tell her say Lolo na innocent or not do anything. No. If Lolo maybe do once, now you push her, say make she do one because you with your husband are there inside. Now understand? I know say person feel push you do what you're not supposed to do, but later you can't regret say this thing where I do I not like her because now then they do for their own and normal thing. But you where you can't be friends, you can't do one once, you can't be say this thing I for not do one. Go come they put everything for your head. So then get when they doctor talk, I not get the video for you for play and for now. When they did doctor talk, he say people wait take them serious. Now be so now never serious for our life. He don't know what then they do. But I believe say lie to lie. Monica not go put him out can't tell now. But he don't tell now for this video. He don't fair turn now. So if you not like, you not take. If you not like, you not take. But the one way when they do video, when they tell say, yeah, Okonoro what done should be. You don't use your mouth say they talking for them. Why the one way when they call palace say, they put life for your head. They put life for your head. You never come out once. Make you say, Iga when you you never do one. So my people, not be every advice or whether they give una for social media now what they take because some of the way they waiting that they put their self. Yeah, I why your word or maybe the time when affair, the time when I tell enter na husband house una this small. You with your husband your quarrel go say no some women they matter again na ye mo gbo be abere na they go do una carry na things na come for the husband house. Mona be careful because some husband and wife they are not real. That is they get husband and wife they see they go to another people. Now understand like this Monica and the husband so now so then they do now their job now be that one. Take it or leave it. We don't fair year. So they know if you can't do and say they are husband and wife 100%. No. I should take off for that video now. This I had your way Lolo play. Any man where you get the udo, Monica go follow her straight and direct. She talking for the day for a mat. It's there for the video where she do. Now she use a mat to talk her. Your husband go say they go probably not there. He did. So my brothers and sisters, wanna be careful. the kind of people wanna they follow, wanna open our eye well. Not be all advice una go see they take from them, oh. Because our normal man, they own no, not jacking your man. They go want me you be like them. They go want me you can't join. They go want all these things where she can't tell say with them they in with a lot that they leak their self. Now then they do one. Now understand now then they do one. Wanna be careful. So as I see the video, I say me I can't play her for now. I can't listen with una. Yeah, she don't fair confirm and say see what then they do. If she go carry a duro boys or that thing so now you do now your husband say me you they carry. Now she even talking. She even talking for there say everybody now budu. So my people, that's why I just see. I fear or not fear some people. I fear or not fear them. But not be say you fit now your life. Anything where you like use and say do. But which one you can't they hide under this thing? Can't they hide down the tell them what you be. As far as say you be social media somebody, if you they do anything, they tell them what you be. Who one like you, go still like you, who no one like you, go find your way. But this one when they come, they take until they rub the other side, say yes. Because you know, say some people they go say, I be what's that talking, go say they comfortable with your husband. Now lie because all these people wanna be careful. Not be everything when they tell you now say na truth. Now still pick up for inside say what this thing where you talk so may I'll see whether na true whether na lie because some of them now wait till they their body they will use and take rob another person then you go they think say that person a bad person. You understand? Because in with lot of 10 years friendship not be saying at 10 days. I see the talk and say I not join this one, not join this one. But if you say me I can't swear whether Monica do something, I go swear. Because it show for a body, the way they talk, she even confirm her for there. Now words, not be saying na recording, no. Now video where she do. Now I don't play for there. Na record. Now even see when that person say, I did for live video for YouTube. Now she they talk for there. She don't confirm at the time when they say, make she come out. Now even here now where na in that distance now you say make come and make come talk now make can come and come do that live video come they talk am. So my people, we be careful, especially our women. Mona be careful. Mona not let anybody tell na say Mona live with her husband again no stay with your husband though because what they do not be una they do Mona not let them go tell and say, you know me now, do this one like this, do one like this. As if they tell na say Mona they lock on her husband for a side bottle. Mona be careful. Mona be careful. She lock her own, now they okay. Now you know her waiting make her lock her. If you not tell me say whether I really lock her, I don't know, but now she use her mouth to talk and say your husband there for a side bottle. Person when they lock for a side bottle, my brothers and sisters. Only a bon money yeji, not be him your money gije. Now what you tell them? If you tell them me sit down, go sit down. You go they do one, you know. You tell them me get up, you go get up because normal husband, you know, if he stands, me he wife go they tell us, go they talk say now saw you with another woman, they do something. Ijeme. Ata only enya weta gele, enya weta wuja, only no wuja. Only okbia no wuja. You know, not be say na be oibo, they'll say okay now oibo, now so they do their life. This one now, person where put money for your head. God forbid bad thing. My people, may I live on and may we go sleep. As I see the video, as I see this thing now, I say no. May I can't listen. Well, as I listen, I put my head in a view, but me in view you. I say, this one will come live video tomorrow. Now you go they preach for una, go they tell una something. What if she want tell una one pick for his side? Where she go tell una? As una hotel they do una husband or una si go mona come they lock una me for his side bottle. She know he with your husband, they know what they do. They just with the talk and say prending giro. Now know what it be prending giro. When you carry person, you know the truth, or you they beat around the bush. You know what talking. You go wrong, go this side. If the person won't catch you, you go wrong, go the other side. Only a prending giro. Put her for this side, put her go say never and no go know the truth. You go they beat around the bush. She know the when she go finish, now go they laugh, go say see there, I was zoo. I just they play there. Wanna be careful. Not wanna go fight for them. Not wanna not like her if you no one like, if you no one like her, wanna feel like her. But wanna be careful. Everything where they come out for her mouth, all not be truth. Oh no, oh yeah, na enrage. And I know say some people they sabi enrage words where they'll sit down, they go cook can, they go arrange jam. The way go take sweet to now, then they'll take bust and come out. When they go talk and you can say, wow, na truth. Now what you just thought so na truth. Or ikbaba ni rene go they laugh, you go say zinya, I want more zoo. Even more why you come. Be careful. So my people, that's why I talk and show. Good night, oh. See you for my next audio. I bet mom like me share. People will never hear and make them hear. Because it's not good make person go they pretend they follow person. It's supposed it good when you know the person where they deal with person where they talk to you, when you know it go tell you something, go say, this thing where you tell me, I want you to tell do something. Not be the one where go tell you go do something or you can't they cry in my I don't know. It's too late to cry. Go say now she be tell me, say me I don't like that. Now good night. Mona sleep well. Now bye bye. Ciao.